Hey! In front of me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, access device settings and scroll all the way down. Now choose system and updates, language and input, your currently used keyboard, in my case the default one, and tap on input. Over here, click on this square icon next to autocorrection feature, and as you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!